Welcome to our channel where today we'll guide you through solving your US Bank login problems, step by step to get you back online smoothly. Welcome to our channel today. We are going to dive into how you can fix US Bank login problems step by step, whether you're locked out of your account or simply can't access your online banking. We have you covered. First, start by verifying your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can often be the culprit, so ensure you have a steady Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Before proceeding, next double-check your login credentials. Make sure your username and password are entered correctly. Close attention to case sensitivity and avoid extra spaces. If you've forgotten your password or suspect it might be incorrect, use the Forgot Password option provided on the login page to reset it. You will usually be asked to verify your identity with either your email address or phone number after resetting your password. Try logging in again. If you continue to have trouble, clear your browser cache and cookies, as stored data can sometimes interfere with the login process. This can typically be done in the settings or privacy section of your browser. Once cleared, close and reopen your browser. Then attempt to log in again. Another helpful tip is to try a different browser or device to rule out compatibility issues or browser-specific problems. US Bank's online banking works best with updated browsers, so make sure yours is current. If none of these steps solve the problem, visit the US Bank website or mobile app and look for any service outage announcements, sometimes login failures due to system maintenance or downtime, which will be temporary. If the issue persists, contact US Bank customer support directly. They can help resolve specific account access problems and provide personalized assistance. Finally, always keep your device's software updated, including your operating system and the US Bank app, to ensure smooth and secure login experiences. Following these steps carefully should help you regain access to your US Bank account without frustration.